Stop comparing yourself with others. That don't move you forward. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you my thoughts about if there is any positive consequences if you compare yourself with others. And I can immediately say that for me there is no positive consequences or positive outcomes, and the only thing that you will be end up doing is nothing, because if you are frustrated of the things you are doing right now, and if you are comparing yourself with others, thanks to that feeling you will be like freezed. You only need to be comparing with your own self and improve day by day, a little bit, because if you keep piling those improvements in a long period of time, it will be a massive change. For example, if you keep piling improvements day by day for a year, it will be a massive change. And if you do it for 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years, even more. The key here, guys, is compare yourself with your past self. Never compare with other ones. For example, if I compare myself with Thomas Gonet, that have a crazy YouTube channel, a bigger amount of subs, compared with me, I will be frustrated because I can achieve the amount of success that he achieves basically for a couple of things. The number one is that he's also pretty smart. He also knows how to build great YouTube videos, and also he have a great English, and my English sucks, so I can compare myself with Thomas Gonet. And for example, if I compare myself with my past self, in this case the Mateo that made the first YouTube video, and I will have a sense of happiness and also a sense of improvement that will be moving me forward. That's what I mean by stop comparing yourself with others. Only compare yourself with your past self, and you will be finding a lot more happiness and a lot more sense of fulfillment, and you will be feeling a lot more happier. That's the key, guys. Don't compare yourself with others, because the only thing you will be making is freeze yourself and prevent you from moving forward. And in case you are comparing yourself, for example, if you are in the smma niche like me and you compare yourself with Iman Gadzi or any other YouTuber that is not that bigger but is making a lot of money, for example Serge Gatari, that for me is also a great YouTuber and a great entrepreneur. But if I compare myself with him, I only will be frustrated because he have more subs than me, he makes a lot more money than me. The key thing, guys, is not compare yourself with others. For example, imagine that you have an agency, or for example you already have one and you have been running it for a year. Compare yourself with yourself a year before and see the improvements. And if you do that, you will be having a lot of sense of fulfillment and happiness, and that's the key to keep piling those wins for a long period of time, and you will find the success. That's why I compare myself with my past self. For example, the first video or the material that made the first call compared to now. That's what I mean by comparing yourself with your past self and see the improvement that you had. For example, I improved my English, even is nowhere near where I want to have my English at. So the key here, guys, is to keep improving. And I know I have been rambling all the video, but I want to pass you the message, guys, that stop comparing yourself with others. It's hard at sometimes, even though you want to avoid it, because the humans tend to judge other people and also tend to compare yourself with others. So I know it's hard to overcome it and hard to handle it, but if you can do it, it will be a lot easier to you to find success and to be happier. And one key thing to avoid doing that is deleting all your social media, because Instagram and this type of platforms are basically like a leaderboard where you see who has more followers, more likes, and all of that. Those metrics are basically to compare yourself with others who have more likes or who have more followers. So the key here, guys, is to, I know I'm repeating myself all through the video, and if you want to improve your quality of life and be more happier and scale your agency, if you have an agency or any other business you run, and the first tip you can apply immediately to start improving right away is delete your social media. You can keep it if you are doing average, but only average. Stop wasting your time on Instagram. I know I've been rambling myself all through the video, but thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care, guys.